Unlocking clear skin. How to remove blackheads naturally with scientific validation. Blackheads, those stubborn dark spots that appear on the skin, are a common skincare concern for many. In this video, we will explore effective methods backed by scientific research to naturally remove blackheads and promote clearer, healthier skin. Blackheads are formed when hair follicles become clogged with excess oil and dead skin cells. The dark appearance is due to oxidation, not dirt. To effectively address blackheads, a multifaceted approach is needed. A study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science suggests that gentle cleansing is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. Harsh cleansers can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to an overproduction of sebum, exacerbating blackheads. Use a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser to wash your face twice daily. This helps to remove excess oil and prevent the buildup of dead skin cells without compromising the skin barrier. Research in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology highlights the benefits of exfoliation in treating acne, including blackheads. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells, preventing them from clogging pores. Incorporate a gentle exfoliant, such as one containing salicylic acid, into your skincare routine. This helps to unclog pores and promote cell turnover. Natural masks and remedies. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology discusses the effectiveness of certain natural ingredients in skincare. Ingredients like clay and tea tree oil exhibit anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making them beneficial for treating blackheads. Create a natural mask using ingredients like bentonite clay, activated charcoal, or tea tree oil. These can help absorb excess oil and impurities, reducing the appearance of blackheads. The Journal of Investigative Dermatology reports that maintaining skin hydration is crucial for overall skin health. When the skin is adequately hydrated, it is less prone to overproducing oil. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. This helps maintain the balance of oil production, preventing the formation of blackheads. Research in the Journal of Dermatoendocrinology emphasizes the role of diet in skin health. Consuming a diet rich in antioxidants and staying hydrated supports skin function. Include antioxidant-rich foods, like fruits and vegetables, in your diet. Drink an adequate amount of water to flush out toxins and maintain skin hydration. The conclusion: removing blackheads naturally involves a holistic approach that considers scientific insights into skin care. By incorporating gentle cleansing, exfoliation, natural remedies, proper hydration, and a balanced diet, you can effectively bid farewell to blackheads and unveil clearer, healthier skin. Remember, consistency is key, and if you have persistent skin concerns, consulting with a dermatologist is always a wise decision. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.